Good afternoon, friends. This is Dr. Varsha, and I would like to share a very short, interesting case with you all about a boy who is just 12 years old and suffering from allergic rhinitis. So, this boy is suffering from allergic rhinitis from past 2 years. So, mother said that he has these complaints which are more aggravated during the night. He gets these complaints when he is exposed to outside food or he is taking any outside food like ice cream, sometimes curd, sometimes bakery products, or also when the environment becomes very cold, he catches the cold very easily. So during the clinic time as well, when he was there in the clinic, he was continuously coughing. So when I inquired him, he said that, Madam, this cough does not go at all. It has like stick to me. So I asked him anything else with respect to his behavior with his sibling. So he said that I get very angry on my elder sister. She keeps on fighting with me, always keeps on shouting at me, always keeps on beating me and teasing me. Somehow the mother said that this boy is very mischievous, doctor. He will make small mischievous thing, like he will take a pinch to the sister, and we will not even understand until she is crying. So this was some of the story that she gave to me. Then she also said that these days the teachers are also shouting that he is not paying attention in the class, he is not studying at all. So this was another thing. And so I asked him, what does he do if he does not study? So mother said that he always keeps on watching the television, always busy in mobile games. Then how does he react when it is told him not to take it? So she said that whenever we tell him not to take the mobile or switch off the television, he will violently react. Sometimes he will say that I will throw the remote away, and one or two times he has done this. He has tried to throw the remote away from his hand. So, with all these complaints, I prescribed him Tarantula 200 with the rubrics like striking anger from, amusement desire for, delusion he is being persecuted, and also anger throwing the things away. After 15 days, I got a very wonderful follow up in this case. The cough was totally stopped, and after a month, the second follow up, the mother said that now my son has started studying as well. He started concentrating on the studies. So, this was a very wonderful result that we got. So, guys, do opt for homeopathy, especially in such kind of behavioral problems in the children who continuously get the respiratory complaints or any kind of skin affections. So, homeopathy plays a very pivotal role in such kind of disease condition. Thank you.